Hey Emmy, how do you do walking video on the back of your phone? Oh, you want me to show that? Okay, I'll do that. It's not magic, just watch till end. Someone saw my video wallpaper and said, Emmy, can you teach me how this fascinating, beautiful stuff works? It's okay. Yeah, this is how it is, and just follow me and I'll guide. It's very simple. Okay, this is my phone screen. Let me go to Play Store first and download TikTok wallpaper. That's what I'm gonna use for this. Now I'm in. I just have to search for TikTok wallpaper. Guess you're fast typing like me. Let's do this. Now searching. Okay, I got TikTok wallpaper. I already have it, so let me just update it and let's get to business. After you're done downloading the TikTok wallpaper, now you open your TikTok app and look for a video that you like. I already saved. I already have videos I made, so that's for my robots. I used one of them. Just scroll and check what you want and you click on it. Not this one, not this one, not this one, no. Probably this one. Yeah, this is the perfect one. So I'm gonna scroll down the place and look for wallpaper, set as wallpaper. So I click on set as wallpaper and boom, you click on screen and lock screen and you show on your home screen and your lock screen. Thanks for stopping by and watching this video. Follow me and subscribe to my YouTube channel.